Okay, so I think we are on time. We can start the session and we'll have some discussions on year 2024 achievements. Has made advancement in 2024 and how Clinosol is looking at future of 2025 and 2026, how we are going to look at it. Let me once you are in my screen. Okay. So I hope my screen is visible now. Okay. So thank you for joining today on a weekend to know about how Clinosol has performed in 2024 and what are the updates we have in year 2024. What is the growth of 2024 of Clinosol? And Clinosol Research 2024 achievements, a year of a growth and also excellence has been done. So we have seen so much of growth and excellence in terms of conducting the webinars or workshops or conferences or publications or all those stuff. So coming back to the first month, which is on January month, the January month was looking very good in 2024. We started looking at the first conference, which was conducted at January month, which was 14th annual conference at SAC SACP. And it was conducted in Hyderabad. It was conducted in Avasa Hotel. So this was the first event which we conducted and where our students have joined this event, has participated as delegates. This is the first event. And the second event was industry expert interaction session. The industry interaction session was conducted by AKT Health CEO, where she was able to inform our students about the different careers and different level of aspects we can go for it. So this was an industry interactive session in the month of January. And I was at Lukman College at Gulbarga in the month of January. So this was one more event which we have conducted at Lukman College, an interactive session on career advancement and clinical research. And this was some of the fun activities at Clinosol Research, Sankranti celebrations at Clinosol Research with a lot of rangolis and a lot of competitions and a lot of activities and photos were being taken in Sankranti celebrations. So this was during your Sankranti activities. And coming back to, there was one more industry expert interaction with Sarvesh, who worked as a vice president in ICON, and he's a SaaS expert. So we have conducted an industry expert interactions. And coming back to, there was one live interview with the founder and CEO of Clinosol, which is me. I have done one event. And this were the placements of Clinosol. We had near placements in the month of January. And then we had one session, one discussions, career discussion at Sultan College of Pharmacy with Anupama Madam. We had one lot of discussions during this. And we had one live interactive interview with Dr. Ranjan Chakravarti, who used to work in United States Pharmacopoeia, USP. And we had a discussion with our activities in the month of January. We have conducted one webinar at KVK College. So this was the webinar which we have conducted at KVK College. One roundtable discussion was also conducted at KVK College of Pharmacy in the month of January. And this was the celebrations of Republic Day. Republic Day we have conducted at Clinosol. And this was the celebrations which we have done. This was the performance, the number of blogs, articles, and presentations were being given here. Blogs were 16, articles were 10, and presentations were 18, and industry expert were 9 in the month of January. January, we have conducted one workshop at Mallareddy University for clinical research and medical writing and artificial intelligence and machine learning. So this was 2 days of hands-on workshop at Mallareddy University. So day 2, we have conducted this one, and this was day 1. We conducted one quiz competition on this World Leprosy Day 2024, and these were the winners of World Leprosy Day 2024 quiz competition. So this was the achievements of 1 month, which was on January month. Coming back to February month, the events, workshops, placement celebrations, and sessions and competitions, we were looking at it. And the first event which conducted in February month was ISCR conference. ISCR conference at Novotel HICC at Hyderabad. Our nearly 100 students participated in ISCR conference at HICC. So this was the ISCR conference, and there were interactive sessions also which we have conducted. And we signed an MOU with Sarojini Vanitha Pharmacy College for conducting a lot of workshops and a lot of events. And I had taken one day seminar at CHIPS College, which is Kebrilu Hanumalaya College of Pharmacy in Guntur. So I was able to travel in Vijayawada and Guntur and then used to take. And we have signed one official MOU with CHIPS College during the month of February. These were the placements of February, the highest placements we were able to get in the month of February. And we were able to do one AIML workshop at MESCO College of Pharmacy in the month of February. And we had hosted 2 days of international conference at Sultan College of Pharmacy. And I was a speaker at Wales College of Pharmacy in Chennai, Wales Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences at Chennai. And we had one session at 3 speakers who have taken the advancement of the AI technologies and trends and technologies of clinical trials. And we have officially signed an MOU with Wales College in the month of February. And then we started working on hands-on workshop with Sastra deemed University Tanjavur. So this was one of the event which we have conducted at Tanjavur in the month of February. So this was day 1 event, and this was day 2 event on clinical data analytics by using Power BI. And we were able to conduct one roundtable conference also and hackathon at Arifa Group of Institution and Incubation Council in Nagapattinam. And we have signed an MOU with Clinosol and Arifa Group of Institution. And we were able to showcase the 5 years anniversary because Clinosol has completed 5 years and we are putting our legs into 6th year. So this is the achievement of February. Blog publications were 15, articles were 11, presentations were 19, industry expert were 5, events and competitions were 1. So this was about the February month. And coming back to March month, this was more interesting. So first time we reached to 35,000 followers. Clinosol has hit a big milestone of 35,000 followers, and we are the only one organization who has the highest followers in the LinkedIn. And we have conducted Women's Day celebrations with interactive sessions with Nikki Singh, who was director and co-founder of ANS Charitable Trust. We had a lot of discussion on Women's Day of March 8th. And we have celebrated International Women's Day at Clinosol Research Office also. And we had International Women's Day essay writing competition also we have conducted. And we had one Frontier Diabetic Awareness Research Foundation Society conference at Marigold Hotel, and where our 30 students have participated and a couple of students have got awards also into this. And this was the campus hiring at KVK College of Pharmacy along with Clinosol and SGP Research. We have conducted one campus hiring at the KVK College. So, and this was the placements in the month of March. And we had conducted the poster presentation. Our student have got poster presentation award at FDRS International Conference. And this was a 1-day seminar on advanced technology in clinical research at Aditya College of Pharmacy in Bangalore. And 2 days of national conference at Krupanidhi College of Pharmacy. I was a speaker in the month of March. And this was the March month, the publications and the articles and blogs. Blogs were 12, articles were 10, topic presentations were nearly 17, and industry expert were 6, and events were 4. So Manish Sharma has taken one session, industry expert session during our things. And this was Vandana who has taken one industry expert sessions. And we had one event also for Diversity Day competition also. So coming back to April month events, workshop placement, celebrations and conferences and competitions. So we had one CEO Insights of Overseas Job Market. We had Dr. Akram Ahmed, who is from Australia, who has taken a session about the careers and their growth during your Australia. And we had World Health Day also. We had one event. And I was one of the speaker for Delhi, where I was speaking in Indian Pharmaceutical Association Student Congress. And this was one of the workshop AIML in clinical research at Mallareddy College, where we have conducted 2 days of Mallarity College and signed the MOU with it. And this was the Mallarity College where we have conducted 2 days of hands-on workshop. And here we have done one frontier diabetes awareness also, wherein we had one marigold event also was conducted here. And this was the placement record for the month of April. And we have conducted 2 days of hands-on workshop at Alameen College of Pharmacy. And we have conducted a faculty development program at RBBRR College of Pharmacy, Women's College of Pharmacy. Workshops of GCP at Alameen College, 2 days of hands-on workshop at Alameen College. And we have conducted one of the hands-on workshop at KVK College in the month of April, and for pharmacovigilance and medical writing and clinical research and CDM. And this were the publication records which we had during April month. Blog publication were 16, review article 9, topic presentation 20, and alumni sessions 4, and events were 3. And this was one more time campus drive at Sarojini Vanita in association with SGP, and 2 days of international conference at Vagdevi College of Pharmacy. I was a speaker, and GCP workshop at Mallarity Institute of Medical Sciences, Department of Pharmacology. We have conducted one GCP workshop also at Mallarity Medical College, where I was a speaker. So this was until the April month. Now coming placement celebrations and sessions and competitions. So we had one of the industry expert sessions with Ganesh, who was able to take some sessions for us. We conducted the World Clinical Trials Day, International Clinical Trial Day celebration. We had 6 days events. And we had webinars where we have conducted along with Saraswati Wani College of Pharmacy, along with Clinosol. And this was GCP workshop at KI3 Technology Solution at Chennai. So we have conducted one GCP workshop for the company people, and we have certified them GCP certified. And we had AI ML in clinical trials with Manoj, who is the CEO for Clinion. And this is the placement record for May 2024. And we have International Clinical Trial Day winner announcement with a guest of honor of Dr. Raghunandan, and chief guest as Dr. A. Ramakrishnan. And I was the speaker for this particular event, and national level seminar also was being conducted. And we had given International Clinical Trial Day all 6 days. 6 events were being conducted, including e-poster competition, photo captions, essay writings, and quiz competitions. So on, we have conducted 6 days of event for International Clinical Trial Day. So this is about the publications of May month. We had 18 blogs and review articles of 6, topic presentation were 15, industry expert were 4, and events were 2. So this is about the May month, and we had one current trends of pharmacovigilance and AI/ML with Dr. Prachi Arora, who has joined and who explained about what are the advancement of risk management plans, or PEBRAR, or aggregate reporting, and medical advisor teams. And we had conducted International Clinical Trial Day event in association with ISCR at Mallarity Narayana Medical College, wherein we have a speaker at this one. And then June month achievement, we had Dr. Vaibhavi, who have taken industry expert sessions, and we had revolutionary clinical research in AI opportunities and challenges. We had webinars, which we conducted. And we have participated in convocation ceremony. We have given the certificates to all the students who have got jobs, and we have conducted all the alumni meets also at Clinosol in the month of June. And these are the placements which we have conducted in the June, and these were the webinars which we have conducted. And we have organized one Pharmathon Stride at Sultanulum College of Pharmacy, which was a huge success. Nearly 1,000 students who have participated in this Pharmathon. And this was the free medical camp which we have conducted in association with Aster Prime Hospital. We have done it, and flag off by Dr. Parthsad Reddy, who is the president of IPC, and also who is the chairman of Hetero Group of Companies. And we had Pharmathon highlights. We had Zumba events, and we have live band structums and all those stuff in June. And July, we had a lot of events and workshops and placements. So this was the July month. We had the planning of 73 IPC, an interactive session at East West College of Pharmacy, Bangalore. IPC placement conclave, where students have written the exams and students have got offer letters. Nearly 350 plus students have got offer letters. So this is the IPC placement conclave where students have participated in this. And this is the face-to-face Medra training, which we have conducted along with Alamein College and Medra. And this is about the placements in the month of July, and wherein I was a speaker at 73 IPC also. This was the one which we have done. And the highlights of face-to-face Medra session was this. And we had Dr. Polly workshop also at 25th July at T-Hub, Madhapur. I was a speaker for one of the sessions of 2 days of workshop on these activities. And I was at MNR College of Pharmacy. I have taken one session wherein I was speaking about the latest careers and advancement of clinical data analytics and data science. SCDM hosted a free webinar along with Clinosol. We are very proud that we were associated with SCDM to conduct one of the clinical data management workshop or webinar where this people were able to participate, how we were able to do this SCDM and advancement of with Gaylord. We have conducted this, and the achievements for the free medical camps we have conducted. Nearly more than 200 people have participated for free medical camp in association with Aster Prime Hospital, and NGO activities were being done. And we were able to conduct one AIML workshop and session on Guru Nanak Institution and Technical Campus at Hyderabad in the month of July. And this were the publication report. Blogs were 18, review articles were 7, topic presentation 22, industry expert 9, and event and competitions 4. And August month achievements were, we were able to give one session, career opportunities and successful strategies, by Dr. Marthi Sai, who is an expert in R&D. So, and we had World Hepatitis Day quiz competition, and we had team outing of Clinosol students at Golconda Fort and Kutab Shahi. The life at all students have enjoyed this, and we had a lot of photographs, and we had a lot of fun, and had so much of activities. And we had free Ayurvedic medical camp also in the month of August, where nearly 300 patients were being treated and were being given free treatment. And these were the achievements of placements of August month. And we have reached to 40,000 followers in the month of August by reaching to 40,000. So we had one of the activity that Nanavati College of Pharmacy, we were Banuben Nanavati College, which is BNCP college, we were able to take one session. And we were able to take one more session at Gaylord College of Pharmacy in the month of August. And we were able to take AIKTC session, wherein the students were able to understand about the future and careers of clinical research and pharmacy people. Our students have traveled to Mumbai to attend prestigious ISCR 11th annual PV conference. And this were our student life at ISCR PV conference and symposium and all those things. And Independence Day celebrations were being conducted at Clinosol Research, and Clinosol Research students refreshing break and headed out of office as a team outing and student outing, and they enjoyed this at a forest park. This was the August month. And September month, the events, workshops, placement celebrations, and sessions and competitions. Clinosol Alumni Interaction meets at Hyderabad campus. And I was a speaker for AIML in National Conference of Sexology, and highlights of Teachers' Day celebrations at Clinosol. So Teachers' Day was being celebrated, and Hemant sir was able to come to Clinosol, and he was able to give some advices and suggestions. And we were able to celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi, and these were the placements of Clinosol Research in the month of September. And this was Dr. Ranjan Chakravarti. One more session was being conducted by Ranjan Chakravarti. And we were able to give a session at Pune College of Pharmacy. And also we were having one session with Dr. Akram Ahmad for Australian activities. And Apticon, I was able to speak at Apticon Bhubaneswar. And this was one more award which we have got at Best Pharmacovigilance Educational Award, the prestigious National Conference on Pharmacovigilance. And Clinosol has participated in National Conference of Pharmacovigilance. And this was awareness walk for students at the Sanjeevaya Park Bridge, wherein we celebrated about how students and pharmacy professionals has to make sure that they are giving life of the drugs and life of the patients. And this was a seminar which was being conducted at Geetham University, Vizag on the September 24th. And this was the October month achievements, the events and workshops and the placements and celebrations. So at Clinosol, we had celebrated Gandhi Jayanti October 2nd with drawing competition. We had drawing competitions, and we conducted Batkama festival at the October month. And we had Gandhi Jayanti special drawing competitions, and also industry expert sessions were being conducted. And this was webinar importance of patient safety and global drug development. And these were the placements of Clinosol during October month. And the webinar on topic of new frontier medicine of biological and biosimilars with Dr. Ranjan Chakravarti was conducted. And patient safety in drug development, which we have conducted. And we had conducted one more webinar, adoption and impact of technology in clinical operations, and highlights of Clinosol research and students at Pharma India Expo. So one more time, we have got panel discussions, and also one award also we have got in the Award of Excellence in Clinical Research Skill Development 2024, wherein in Pharma India Expo, we have taken this award on this month of October. So month of October, we had block presentations, blog publication 17, review article 6, topic presentation 20, and alumni sessions as 5. And these were highlighted of sessions wherein we were able to participate as panel discussions and all those things. And LinkedIn Live for future of GCPs and R3 ICH we have done. So November month, I was able to participate as a guest of honor for KVK College of Pharmacy graduation day. And we have conducted a workshop of medical coding at Hyderabad office. And we had 2 days of workshop of capacity building at Jamia Hamdard University. And I have received a SS Agarwal Memorial Award in Gurgaon, which is on Delhi. So we have received nearly 13 awards in the span of 6 years. And in this year, we have received 3 awards back to back for best training and placements. These are the highest placements which we have got in the month of November. And this was Jamia Hamdard University, where we have conducted capacity building workshop. And these were the highlights of the activities which we have done in the month of November. And the 4 days of certificate course we have conducted in Sultan Ulum College of Pharmacy, and Think Health and Think Pharmacy. We have done sessions in National Pharmacy Week also at Vikas College of Pharmacy, and I was a speaker. And Sri Shivani College of Pharmacy, Warangal also, I was a speaker for this. So now coming back to December month, we had workshop initially started with Geetam University, 2nd and 3rd. And then I had Krupanidhi session at 6th. And then these are the Krupanidhi session wherein we were able to celebrate in Krupanidhi College of Pharmacy. And then 10 days of comprehensive training program at Swami Vivekananda University, Barakpur in Kolkata. So these were day 1, day 2, day 3 until day 10. And I have conducted one session, career opportunities for clinical research and data science in Geetam University. And this was one more time the highlights of industry expert sessions which we have conducted. And these were 2 days of workshop. One more time we have conducted at Aditya College of Pharmacy very recently. 2 days back, I was in Bangalore for Aditya College of Pharmacy, and we have officially signed an MOU with Aditya College of Pharmacy. And these were the blogs and articles and presentation. Blogs were 12, review articles were 5, topic presentation 15, industry expert 5, and events and competition 4. Now, overall picture of the success was the placements, wherein we were able to place nearly 107 placements. On an average, 3 days, 1 placement we have done for Clinosol research. And these were the yearly achievements, events, workshops, and placements and celebrations and sessions, all those activities. Interactive expert sessions, nearly 42. Workshops conducted, 52. Conferences, webinars, 20. Competitions hosted, 22. And admissions were nearly 196. And placements secured were 107. Blogs were 183. And presentations were 209. Articles were 86. So overall, 2024 was one of the best year which we have conducted so many activities and so many events with industry expert sessions and workshops, conferences, competitions and placements and admissions and blogs and presentations and articles. So this is about all Clinosol research, and I'm very thankful for all the partners, all the students, and all the team, specifically Clinosol research team, who have done so much of hard work for making this effort. And I'm very thankful for closing this year with a lot of happiness. With Clinosol Research has provided the best output for the students and also academic institutions and also the companies, where we have bridged the gap between the students and also the institutions and companies. So with this short note, I'm very thankful for it. And I'm looking at the new year with a lot of new activities and new works to be done at Clinosol Research. So thank you so much for joining the live streaming in YouTube, and thank you so much for joining